problema. Ang susunod na putahin natin, bangus sisig. Simulan na natin, Sam.
Alright.
Okay. So ito yung bangus na boneless. Dapat boneless po Hindi pwedeng magsisig tayo na maraming tinik. Baka tayo matinik.
Hirap kainin, no?
Mahirap kainin. So lalagyan natin ng black pepper. Ang classic traditional sisig para sa mga nangangarap magkaroon ng enlargement of the heart o kaya ay gout. Ngayon dahil ayaw natin noon, palitan natin ang ingredients at bangus ang gamitin natin. Okay? So lagyan natin. Yan. Then salt. Right? Then black pepper again. Back to back. Okay, salt again.
There.
There you are. Then, simple lang po, Sam, ilalagay natin sa deep fryer.
Ah, okay.
Yan. I-deep fryer natin. Okay. Habang piniprito natin ang bangus, at ang ating sizzling plate naman ay naka-ready na rin. Sandali lang po yan. Hiwain natin yung mga gulay. Celery. Right? Leeks. At lalagyan natin ng sibuyas. Siyempre, sibuyas. And then, of course, red bell pepper at saka green bell pepper. At siyempre, pag walang anghang, hindi siya sizzling. Now, well, garlic. Nilagyan natin itong sili, leeks, at saka yung celery. Yan. Nilagyan natin ng chicken powder. Now, lagyan natin ng brandy.
Ha? Meron
Yes, para po. Yeah. Kasi po ang bangus ay medyo malansa kung minsan. Ito pag may brandy, mas lalo masarap. Lagyan natin ng liquid seasoning. Karamansi na. How about the Worcestershire sauce?
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire. Lalagyan natin ng konting chicken stock. Kukunin natin yung bangus. Luto na. Look at that.
Wow.
What a beautiful color, Sam.
It's perfect.
It's really perfect. Ayaw mo, ha? Hawakan natin. Ang lamig, no? Alright. Now, nandiyan na. Hiwain natin ito saglit, no? Yan. Cut into how many pieces? It's a sizzling. So, ilagay natin dyan sa ibabaw. Lastly is the butter para mag-sizzling talaga siya. That's right. Salt. Nakita mo yan. Lagyan natin ng gulay. Yahoo! Yeah! Then of course, the bangus. The bangus on the top. There you are. I love it. Onion. Yes! Then, of course, the mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise?
Yeah! I love it! Yeah! Yes! And then, hindi mabaw pag walang kalamansi. Yan na po. Si mabaw. Then, Sam, come on. I have 2 pieces for you. I have 2 pieces for me. Come on! Then, bing, 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 bing! Here it is! Bangus sisig! Natatakam na ba kayo? Kain na na! Sam, how's the food?
It's It's actually really good kasi first time ko makataste ng ganito na may mayonnaise. So, mas lalo sumarap.
Wow, thank you, Sam. Thank you.